Black River Boulevard. And from Black River Boulevard, I forget which street this is, but that's Franklyn Field Park, which is plastered in. Notice the road sign. Look how much snow there is. This is Schuyler Street. Look at that house. Just buried. Look at the size of those snowbanks. Look at that car. It's pretty cool. A lot of ice buildup. That's what my porch has, which is why I'm going to be clearing off the porch all weekend. I got about 1,000 pounds of ice on the roof. Buried right in. It's nice when the snow hangs from the trees. I always like that. And back on Linden Street. Look at that snow. Look at this house. Completely covered in. Fire hydrant. Notice the sign. It's like 7 feet tall, but look at the snowbank. 8 feet tall, excuse me. I think that's our house. Still banks burying everything. I mean, it's gonna be like Christmas Eve tonight because everything's gonna be closed. Look at that stop sign. Buried. Getting off of Garden Street and going on to Edwards Ave. The back of the post office. That is snow. Tow trucks have been busy the last few days. Let me tell you, they're making good money. I wonder if I could call a tow truck if I got stuck. They'd probably think I'm absolutely Looney Tunes. What kind of car is it? It's a GT. It's a two-wheel drive. I'd like to have a snowblower, but then again, I got my neighbors who are kind enough to remove the snow every once in a while. I do my part, they do theirs. And we're back on Dean Street. Look at the ice on that house. Ow. That's something. I always like the big cedar trees in the winter. Trump House over there. Trump. Savior of the universe. And it's going to be another night I'm going to be stuck in the house. Of course, I'll probably go out for a walk again. Don't like being inside. It's just boring. Truck. Usually you got the huskies over there. I can always hear them in the morning. They howl like crazy. I always like Alaskan huskies. There's another dog I'd like to, but I can't think of it. Bernese dogs. Bernese. It's a Swiss dog. It's huge. My cousin has one of them. Two of them. Huge. Where the popo going? First it's a tornado, and now it's just winter storm. And why do those look like police officers down there? I wouldn't be surprised. Notice I got a cell phone tower right there.